absolutely gorgeous out today. As you can probably tell by hopefully tell by the drone footage. Inside we've got the heat turned on, the diesel cannon. As you can tell, hopefully by the time lapse from yesterday, we siphoned all the old diesel from the T4, the gas tank of the T4, diesel tank of the T4. Siphoned it, reused it on the diesel heater to heat up the garage. It is a 30 kilowatt diesel heater, so it uses up quite a bit of diesel. So that was a nice reusage of it. And the game plan of today, I might as well tell you outside because it's a bit noisy inside. The game plan of today is to get both of the front fenders off. Those are actually welded on a T4, which makes no sense. In most cars they're just bolted on, but they're actually spot welded several sides on. And to get the passenger side door off. As you could see yesterday, I've managed to get the entire interior out, except for the instrument, the dash, I believe it's called, yeah, the dash. And I think we're gonna keep that in, just because I don't really want to bother with all the wiring up front. So another thing today will be a bit of a cleanup, both inside the car and in the garage as well. As you can tell in a minute, it is a bit of a mess. There's a lot of stuff inside of a T4 California, which takes up quite a bit of space in the garage as well. But let's go take a look. This over here is where the diesel heater used to be, and this is where the gas tank was. But due to all the rust work, we had to see if there were any other holes that we hadn't seen before. We had to take down the tank. We'll be cleaning out the entire bottom of the car, giving it a once over, and installing the lift kit, which I believe we will be ordering this afternoon to get the lift kit on in order to get the bigger wheels on, and see whether or not we have to alter the wheel arches in order to fit the 30-inch tires compared to those small ones, original. Right, and arches painted, primered, and done. Have to get the over fenders on, but that will all happen afterwards. We have painted the car. Just spotted some more rust. As you can see, the screwdriver went through, but that's an open VW for you. So that kind of sucks, but kind of anticipated with one of these. Alright, let's get to it.